everybody. I decided to vlog a little bit of my husband and I going to Restaurant Depot. Yeah?
Oh yeah, we are going to Restaurant Depot. Going
That looks like your dad's car. We've never been here before, but it's a place where people that have restaurants go. But they have some of the best stuff.
License plate.
Open up what?
Oh no, you can do something together. We're going to visit a restaurant. We'll be a solid partner.
You heard it here first. Open up that restaurant. Oh, we got some cheese. Live lobster. Honey, look. Sour cream.
Lots of sour cream.
Those are even bigger.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
Everything's stopped up here.
Yes.
Oh, we need paper towels. Hey, yeah, we need paper towels. You want to just grab the pack right here, Bounty?
They got cleaner in here for your floor.
Oh, I thought you was up here too.
Snapple.
$19.99.
How much are they in Sam's Club?
That's fine.
This place is crazy. Look at this. Dun dun dun. Look at how high these ceilings go. Some of this stuff is just too much to get if you're not putting it in a restaurant. But the prices are good here. Christmas cocktails.
What do you want?
I don't know.
Or we're just gonna wait till
The sun is really bad of lighting. Oh, now we're at the Warf in DC, which is a fish market. Look at that. Oh.
Sundays. Nobody listens to me.
Is it parking free on Sundays here in DC?
DC is parking free on Sundays.
It smells so good. It's almost like, it's kind of like this place like under a bridge. Watch out. This man wants to park here. Look at that.
Let's hold in here real quick while we're waiting. Doing more of this stuff, don't you?
Oh, yum. That's why I smell cooked fish. Oh. They have oysters down there.
So basically, you get your food here, and then you can take it over there and get it cooked.
Oh,
if you don't want to cook it yourself.
Oh.
This is actually kind of new.
Even though it's like 10 something in the morning, I still have people.
Hey,
They're
let
not
me get a
great,
half
and they're
bushel.
everywhere you go. It annoys the hell out of me. It's like everywhere, blue point, blue point. And it's just like,
By looking at your face today, it's bringing a smile to my face. I need to start doing a lot more with you with these.
if you ever get a chance, remember it.
So fun.
You're enjoying yourself?
Do I go over there, Teddy, or right here?
Look at those black
Oh, I don't need. Do you have any ice you can throw in there?
Are those scallops?
Big.
Cutting it up right there. And then you said you can take it where?
Okay, so you take the cat feet, you
Take it
take
over
it,
there
and then you can get it
and cook
cooked
it.
over there. At least that's what Papa Doc told me. He said that you could get it here, and then you can take it over here and get it cooked if you want. And then they got crushed clams over here. Hey, look. Fresh sprayed croakers.
Croakers are really popular, aren't they?
Look how Look at this.
Which one is that one?
This is a jumbo red snapper. It's your
Ooh, this was fun. I love going to like local fish marts and things. I'm gonna end the video here because we gotta keep doing some more grocery shopping for our Christmas dinner. So make sure you guys subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.